Okay, so we put negative 12 at the top, and then we put positive 1. And if I want a positive 1 when I'm adding, but a negative 12 when I multiply, I know it's a play of 4 and 3, but I'm going to put the negative on the smaller number so that I can add to a positive 1. Because that's 4 plus signs, 3 negatives. That's 1 plus sign left, positive 1. So this is plus this plus that, and then x minus 3. What I don't want you to do is set both of these equal to 0 and think you're done, because you have to divide by 6. And do not slide the 6 in front and write 6x minus 3. That is wrong. You have to reduce this first. You have to divide it. So this one becomes 1/2, and this one becomes 2/3. Now you slide. You get 3x plus 2, 2x minus 1. When you set those equal to 0, you will get your solutions, your x-intercepts. Minus 2 plus 1. Sorry. And now you notice on both of them, they have a number in front of x. You have to actually divide that off, so you don't just stop. So now we see that these are the two answers we're looking for when we use the quadratic formula. Okay, so now x equals, well, I know that a was 6, b was 1, and c is negative 2. So negative b, put a negative sign because it's in the formula, put b because b is 1, that's what's next, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. So I know that this is negative 1. Control divide gives me my fraction form. I'm going to do the plus first, and then square root of 1 squared is 1. If you don't know, go ahead and type 1 squared. And you might have to put that in parentheses, so let me go ahead and do that now. Minus 4 times 6 times negative 2. And then divide all of that by 2. And just to be safe, I'm going to go ahead and put my square root in parentheses 2. And then I press enter. It gives me 3, which does not match. So what did we do wrong? Let's go back and check. Negative 1 plus 1 squared minus 4 times 6 times negative 2. I put 2 times 1. What's wrong with that? That should be 2 times 6, because a was 6. Okay, so let's go back up, bring him down, and let's change the bottom to 6. And 12. Sorry. There we go. And now it matches. I get my 1/2. So I did do it right. So now we go back up, enter, erase the plus sign, put a minus, and enter. Negative 2/3. So we learned a couple of things. Don't just put 6 in as the bottom, like I did. Don't assume that it's always 1. Don't forget to multiply 2 times a. And for this one, it was 12. And when I did that, I got the correct answers.